In the maritime industry, time is critical, yet many ports still depend on manual systems to assign pilot shifts. This outdated method often leads to confusion, double bookings, and miscommunication between pilots and port managers. Scheduling through phone calls, whiteboards, and spreadsheets is not only inefficient, it increases the risk of human error, causing both ships and goods delay. That's why we come up with a solution. Introducing Pilot Hub, an innovative AI application created by international business students from UITM campus Bandaraya, Malacca. With over 80% of goods transported by sea, smooth and timely vessel operations at ports are essential to ensure efficient logistics, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. Critical part of this process is the embarkation and disembarkation of port pilots, who navigate ships through port waters safely. Despite advancements in shipping technology, pilot coordination often remains outdated and prone to delays. Pilot Hub was created to revolutionize port pilot operations with real-time tracking, smart scheduling, and seamless communication. The reason we make this app is because current pilot embarkation and disembarkation processes rely heavily on manual communication, radio calls, and fragmented systems. This leads to delayed ship movements, inefficient scheduling, lack of transparency, increased costs, and disrupted supply chains. There is a pressing need for a centralized, digital solution that provides real-time updates, streamlines operations, and improves coordination across stakeholders. Our primary objective is to develop a mobile and web-based platform that enables real-time monitoring and management of port pilot operations. While our specific objectives is to provide instant embarkation, disembarkation, status updates, optimize pilot scheduling through digital planning tools, enable communication between ships, port authorities, and pilots in one platform, record and store historical data for performance analytics, minimize ship idle time, and improve turnaround efficiency. Our materials for software tools is Flutter for cross-platform app development, Firebase or AWS for backend services, Map API for real-time location tracking. For hardware is mobile devices, tablets, port server integration optional, GPS-enabled devices for pilots and for our stakeholders, port authorities, shipping companies, maritime agents, pilot. Our methods for requirement gathering is to interviews and surveys with port staff. Pilots and agents UI/UX design to create based on user behavior. Port operation flow and ease of use. During development phases, we use prototyping and wireframing. Back-end development for real-time data handling. Front-end development for user interaction. Integration of push notifications and pilot tracking. Testing at partner ports. Pilot testing and feedback we conducted in collaboration with selected port operations. For launching, we use final deployment to App Store and Google Play. Pilot Hub is built to solve these challenges by automating and streamlining. Pilots and staff log in securely using their ID and password. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and built for fast access. Here, pilots can view all incoming vessel assignments. Just select a ship by ID, check the license type, estimated arrival, and even departure times. All in one place, easily see who's available. Captains like Amir, Lou, Devish, and Tony show up with their license levels. AI helps assigning pilots based on qualifications instantly. Check upcoming assignments with boarding times, ship details, and live weather updates. So pilots are always prepared. Track vessels live on the map. Use filters to display only the ship types you need. Cargo, tankers, passenger ships, even fishing boats. The Anchorage tab shows detailed tide windows for accurate scheduling. Get today's and tomorrow's tide heights, highs, and lows, specific to ports like Kampung Pasir Gudang. In conclusion, the Pilot Hub app addresses a critical gap in maritime operations by providing a smart, real-time solution to pilot embarkation processes. It enhances communication, reduces operational delays, and improves transparency across port ecosystems. With growing global trade and increasing port traffic, tools like Pilot Hub are not just innovative, they are essential for the future of efficient maritime logistics. Pilot Hub, the future of marine pilotage, smarter, faster, safer. Download now and streamline.